grass underneath my bare feet, and the trees swaying in that Tennessee breeze, and the soft babbling of Yellow Creek, and a summer's night underneath the sweet moonbeam, the warm embrace of a fire's touch, the southern sunrise and the soft pink blush. Oh, it's the little things about home I miss so much. Give me one more night, that would be enough. Oh, the dark black creek is calling me home. Appalachian trails I belong. Mama, I'm coming back to you. Got so many stories of things that I've been through. Oh, Mama, felt the world in the way it can hurt. Blood, sweat, and tears soak up my shirt. Making my way back to you and away from the hell that I've been through. Double shifts on the last wellhead. There's not too many stages left. This old pad will be shutting down, and there's no more work in this town. Pack my bags, headed out the door through Charleston down 64. The pedal never left the floor. No, the pedal never left the floor, 'cause the dark black creek is calling me home. Appalachian trails where I belong. Mama, I'm coming back to you. I've got so many stories of things that I've been through. Oh, Mama. Long for the grass underneath my bare feet, swaying of the trees in that sweet Tennessee breeze.